Dogecoin holders are definitely going to have to watch out for this pattern that we're seeing on Dogecoin. As of lately, Dogecoin has currently seen a lot of volume and price action. I'm going to kind of go over a little bit of reasoning why behind that as well. My predictions on Dogecoin and altcoins in general. So make sure you do stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you do like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, and remember guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just for entertainment purposes only. So make sure you always do your own due diligence before you get in any trades. As of right now, the buy and sell signal currently on Dogecoin for me, we had profited around 159% just within 11 days and 6 hours. This was looking at it from a 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame did indicate break of the trend here, break of the trend here. We started to see this volume kind of rise. Right here we started to see the sell signal on it because a lot of the trend was looking negative on it. As of right now, Dogecoin is currently at 37 cents. I do think that Dogecoin is going to get closer to that dollar range, and I'm going to talk a little bit on the reasonings why with Dogecoin has seen a lot of volume. There is Elon Musk there also. He is going to be one of the big key factors for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a good cryptocurrency to hold if you're looking for long-term commitment on a meme coin or something that is going to be based off of the cryptocurrency for probably a long while. If you have been watching this channel for quite a while, you will even notice that I've talked about Dogecoin in the past. Dogecoin had almost hit $1 back whenever he was on Saturday Night Live. If we take a look at the 1 week time frame, you can kind of see that we started to kind of come back up. We pull back, and now we're seeing this movement back closer to that 37 cent range where we are currently. The high of Dogecoin was right around 48 cents from what I can see here. Currently with Dogecoin itself though, Dogecoin has started to see a lot of price action, a lot of movement, but we really need to get kind of higher up to around the $1 range for us to see a lot more price action. As we get closer to that, we're going to have to understand how much volume is it going to take from Dogecoin currently to where it is to get to $1. So now let me kind of explain something here. The volume is $10.7 billion, which is pretty good. Price change on Dogecoin's right around 380% with a price change in the week of 90%. So if you would have gotten to this coin this time last week, you would have been over a 90% gain, 134% within 2 weeks, and 1 year over a 380% profit. So it's overall beating the overall market for the percentage of what you're going to get your investment in within a year time frame. Remember, this volume is usually not very specific to Dogecoin, as we recently had a lot of days where it's right around 400 million to $1 billion for quite a while. Dogecoin's typical hold time is 105 days compared to Coinbase. There's a circulating supply of 146.8 billion Doge. The market cap is 55.4 billion for it to get to $1. How much is the market cap going to have to be? The market cap of Dogecoin has to be right around 120 to 130 billion dollars for it to reach $1. If we doubled right now to $110 billion market cap, we would currently be sitting right around 80 to 85 cents. This is going to be based off of the popularity of the crypto, besides the total volume that we're starting to see within the last 72 hours to the week. Whenever you start to see these kind of price actions, it happened whenever Donald Trump had won the overall election in the United States. He elected Elon Musk as a representative as well. So you really have to kind of take a look at that, because if Dogecoin is going to be basing off of Elon, what is Elon going to say or do to really get us to where we need to be? As of right now, I don't think Elon is going to say anything major about Dogecoin, but I do want to put out something that happened within the last 48 hours that is relevant to Dogecoin, Elon Musk, and overall altcoins in general. Now, I just want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. If you do like his content, hit that like button and let me know what you guys think down below as well with what I'm about to cover. Right now, there was a 22 class action lawsuit filed against Elon Musk and Tesla, alleging that the businessman manipulated the price of Dogecoin through media appearances and social media posts. It was actually withdrawn by the plaintiffs on November 14th of 2024. If you look here, you can kind of even see the legal filing that was happening with Dogecoin, Elon Musk, Tesla, and the plaintiffs that had filed the class action against Elon Musk. So they actually filed a $258 billion lawsuit against Elon Musk and Tesla in 2022, accusing him and his company of engaging in a crypto pyramid scheme. The investors argued that Elon Musk's appearances on Saturday Night Live, where he played a financial analyst, referred to himself as the Doge Father, and his promotion of Dogecoin on social media represented attempts at market manipulation. They had wrote multiple times that he called himself the Doge Father and that he was talking about the Doge Army and he was talking about Dogecoin overall on his social media, which was going to make it based off of manipulating the price of Dogecoin, even if he had an investment or not. If he was able to do that, then the SEC would more than likely have an issue with that. The $258 billion lawsuit was dropped, and that was where we kind of see here that the price of Dogecoin started to kind of run with it. Whenever that happened, it did show strength within the Dogecoin army. That big of a lawsuit being dropped without any settlement or anything like that is amazing. Definitely whenever you take a look at Elon Musk and Tesla and the Dogecoin army, you can kind of see that Dogecoin does have potential. But let's take a look a little bit about my price prediction for Dogecoin. I still think that there's a possibility we hit $1. Hitting that dollar, like we said, we're going to need around $70 to $80 billion in market cap. So we're going to have to see a lot of volume that's coming along with it. After making some decent trades on Dogecoin of around 158%, we're going to be seeing a lot of price action movement within the overall market itself that could cause Dogecoin to go even further. With that lawsuit being dropped with Elon Musk, with the presidency, along with altcoins hitting all-time high, Bitcoin's hitting all-time high, there's a potential that Dogecoin could beat the all-time high that we see of 74 cents. That was whenever he did the Saturday Night Live premiere, and that was whenever the lawsuit was kind of filed back in 2022. And if you do know anything about Dogecoin, you can see that there's a lot of movement and Dogecoin army that is going to be involved daily with this coin. Dogecoin is a very popular coin. It is number 6 on Coinbase. Dogecoin holders are actually growing day by day. There is more movement and talk about Dogecoin on social media, so you can kind of see that there is potential that Dogecoin could pick up volume very, very quickly. That $10 billion volume is increasing throughout the last week. We have also noticed a slight drop within the last 24 hours, but what could happen is within the next few days, if Bitcoin starts to kind of rise again, volume is going to go moving into some other altcoins like Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, XRP, and some of these other cryptos. Remember, a lot of these cryptos does have to have the volume. You got to think about how much market cap and circulating supply. The latest news on Dogecoin makes this coin very bullish to me to reach back to the all-time high. To reach back to the all-time high, we would have to get around $55 billion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Let me know what you guys think down below. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you, guys.